Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a very exciting one. We'll be installing and styling a unit, so let's get into it. So the wig came in this really cute packaging. So this is a 3-in-1 kinky half wig from HerGivenHair. Okay, this is their 18 inches, I believe, in this beautiful natural color. So the texture is kinky and it is very realistic to that of 4C 4B hair. It is also really soft and very full straight out of the box. So the cap is like a one size fits all, and it comes with 4 combs, 2 on the sides and 1 at the top and 1 at the back, plus an adjustable drawstring, which makes it very secure. So included in the box, you also get an instruction manual with installation and care tips, a satin dust bag, and extra combs. So everything you need is kind of included. So before installation, I always like to prep my wigs. So first I went ahead to cold wash the hair. So I fully soaked the wig with water. Then I went ahead to apply some conditioner, work it in with my hands, and also gently detangle with my fingers. And then I went ahead with my detangle brush to kind of define the coils a bit and just comb that out. So after that, I just went ahead to rinse out the conditioner and let the wig air dry slightly. Okay, not fully dry, just damp enough to style. So next, I went ahead to apply a leave-in conditioner. You can use like a light hair mousse if you prefer. Then I went ahead to define the coils properly. Once that was done, I set the wig aside to dry completely before installation. So this step really helps the coils pop and make blending so much easier later on. Now moving on to my hair. So as you can see, this is the current state of my hair. So the first thing I did was to go ahead and section out the top part of my hair. This is for like a leave out. So I didn't take too much, okay, just enough to blend seamlessly with the wig. Okay, keep that in mind. So after doing that, I went ahead to braid the rest of my hair down, tuck it away so everything is nice, neat and flat underneath. So after prepping my hair, it is time to install the wig. So I went ahead to place the wig on my head, and I made sure to secure all the combs into my own hair. Okay, so the 2 side combs and the top comb as well, and also the back comb. And I also made sure to tighten the adjustable drawstring. So this already feels very secure and comfortable, and honestly at this point it's already coming together. So guys, now let's talk about the blending, because this is the most important part of this installation for this hairstyle. Okay, so blending here means 2 things. Okay, texture blending, my natural hair texture blending with the wig's kinky texture, and also color blending, my hair color blending naturally with the wig color. Okay, so I went ahead and released or undo my leave out, okay, and then just sprayed it lightly with water, and then I took small sections of the wig like so and my hair together like that with the leave out. So this part is key. So instead of just defining my leave out separately, I applied a little bit of gel and used a brush to define both my hair and the wig together. So that way the coil pattern matches perfectly and everything just looks seamless. And can you see how that blends well? So I just went ahead to repeat this same process for the rest of the leave out, making sure not to overdo the product. I also lightly refreshed the coils on the wig to make them pop a bit more, but I didn't define it too much because I still wanted to keep, you know, some length. Okay, so after defining and blending this section you can see the difference. So this is what the section is looking like compared to the other one that is undone. So yeah, this looks so good already. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same thing that I did on this side to the other one. So once everything was blended nice and neat, I just went ahead and adjusted the wig until it sat correctly how I wanted it. I also went ahead to tidy up my edges a bit. So this is the final look for this hairstyle, and I absolutely love how this turned out. The texture blends perfectly with my natural hair. The color match is seamless, and honestly you can't really tell that I am wearing a wig. So this is one of those installs where it just looks like it's actually my hair. So for the next hairstyle, I decided to do a half up, half down look. So I brushed the top section into a ponytail and smoothed it out nicely. Then I took a small section of the wig hair at the front and then just combined it with my leave out before tying it up. Then I tied back the section down with a scarf briefly just to keep everything nice and neat. Then I just went ahead to release that, and this is how it turned out. This style is really cute and surprisingly flattering. I honestly need to do this hairstyle more often because it turned out way better than I expected, and it just looks so good. Like, you can't tell me this is not my hair. So moving on to the next hairstyle, this is a low effort low ponytail. So this one is super simple, very quick, and perfect for days when you don't want to do too much but you still want that volume and length. On to the next style, I created a side part and did a little side sweep situation. So I attached the wig, added a headband, and this is the final look. So this is actually one of my favorite styles, and can we talk about how identical my hair and the wig looks, because the texture match is honestly very impressive. If I had all day, I could honestly keep going, because with this half wig there is really no limit to what you can create. So one of the things I love most is that no glue is required, no heat or no crochet method either. You literally just clip it on and blend. I also love that I can wear this wig multiple times and style it differently, and no one would ever guess it's the same wig. The versatility is amazing. So the kinky texture is perfect for 4B 4C hair. It blends seamlessly, the colors define beautifully, and it doesn't shed easily. So all details for this 18-inch kinky 3-in-1 half wig from HerGivenHair will be linked in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.